visual about what kind of tech companies and organizations exist in Nashville to kind of make it easy to just see where they're located, what parts of town are they from, are they hiring. So this website basically is like a one-page site, and it allows you to initially view this map, and these little icons are the various types of organizations. On the right-hand side over here, you'll notice that you can filter it by the various types. You can look at all the companies, all the digital companies, investors in town. Click one of them. So then it just narrows it down to these, and then you can click one, and it gives you the details of that. Co-working, meetup space, like where we're at right now. And then all the companies that are hiring. And then you can click them down here, it also pulls it up there. And these will take you to their hiring page on their websites. When a company visits this site and they want to add themselves to the map, they simply click Add Your Company, and there's a form to fill out. And I won't do it right now, but it automatically adds it to the map. It's an AJAX form. Sends it to the database and then back. So no refreshing. Let's see. Let's go to the code here. So mostly what it took, it was fairly simple. Within my routes, all I had to do was create the object that was being created from the form and then send it back through my home page. This is a little tricky, but was able to master it and got all these different properties sent back to the front page so that I could utilize them. Had to use this unique util. Let's look at the public. So within my public JavaScript file, I had to create styling from a map, and this is using the Google Maps API. So I had to do a lot of research with that and figure out how to utilize their API, but it was fairly easy to understand. There's a lot of styling things that you can add to the map. All of this right here is styling. Upon initialization of the page, I've got all these click handlers, and I also initially place all the marks on the page. That's why when I refresh, you can see all of them just pop up on the page. When you click on one of these filters over here, that in itself is another click handler, filter orgs right here. And that takes you down to this utility that I created right here. It's a switch statement. So basically what it does is when you click on that particular button, it finds what the data type is. Is it a co-working space? Is it a tech company, or is it an investor? And it gives that into this variable, and then it finds it right here and sorts it. It picks only the companies that have that type associated with it. And then once it does that, it goes back and just puts those particular companies on the map. And another thing I had to do on the front end was the icon for every one of these things. I didn't store that on the database, I did that on the front end. So every time a company is being put on the map, I would send it this icon selector, send it the org type that it has, and that's how I assign the icons. So if the company was the org type was maybe a co-workspace, it would find which one by the name and then assign that icon to it. What else have I done here? Use Lodash for filtering. Use Ajax. I use the geolocator through Google to translate the address, the street address, into the longitude and latitude, which allowed me to place the markers on the